principal at the Vine Street School in Bangor, and I want to welcome you to a brand new school year. We have a couple of exciting events happening on Tuesday, August 25th from 4:30 to 5:30. We are having our kindergarten kickoff. We invite all of our kindergarten families to come tour the building and meet our kindergarten team. The very next day, on Wednesday, August 26th, from 4:30 to 5:30, we have our school-wide open house. So please join us where you can come and tour the building and see your child's classroom and meet their teacher. Our first day of school is coming right up as well. That's going to be Tuesday, September 1st. We can't wait to see you all. And as a reminder, at Bangor Schools, we do not expect you to buy any school supplies. We will have all of the necessary supplies to teach your child. We do ask that you have your child bring a full-size backpack, a snack to school, and a water bottle. If you need some support with any of those items, please reach out to Vine Street School and I can help you with that. Have a great school year and we can't wait to see you.